Welcome to this 10-minute energy cleansing meditation. This guided meditation is designed to refresh and rejuvenate your energy field, leaving you feeling balanced and revitalized. Begin by finding a comfortable position. If you're in a chair, ensure your feet are flat on the floor and your legs are uncrossed. Sit up straight, allowing your spine to lengthen naturally. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, let your body sink into the surface beneath you. Feel supported and safe and allow yourself to fully let go now. Bring your attention to the very top of your head. Imagine a field of glowing energy surrounding you, beginning at the crown of your head. This energy is a bright, cleansing light that will refresh your aura. As you breathe in deeply, envisage this light expanding and enveloping your entire body. Feel it spilling down from the top of your head, surrounding you and protecting you. Now place your hands in a prayer position at your chest. Set a clear intention for your meditation along with me now. I am now cleansing and renewing my energy field, removing any blocks or negativity. Inhale deeply and raise your hands above your head. As you exhale, sweep your hands down, imagining that you are pushing away any negativity or stagnant energy. Breathe in, bringing your hands up to the top of your head. As you exhale, sweep your hands down again, releasing any unwanted energy. As you continue this motion, visualize the energy around you becoming brighter and more vibrant. Now, Let your hands rest gently in your lap. Feel your shoulders fall naturally and notice how your posture aligns. Allow your body to relax deeply, embracing a feeling of calm and tranquility. Focus on your breath. Notice its natural flow and allow it to guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. Imagine yourself in a serene, peaceful environment. It could be a quiet garden, a tranquil beach, or any place that brings you comfort. See the details of this place. Feel the soothing energy surrounding you. Revisit your intention. Repeat silently, I am cleansing and renewing my energy field. I release all that no longer serves me and welcome positive, vibrant energy. Visualize your aura now, glowing with a brilliant, radiant light. Imagine it surrounding you in every direction, creating a protective bubble of positivity and strength. Feel the sensation of your cleansed aura. It is vibrant, clear, and full of positive energy. As this meditation draws to a close, bring your hands back into a prayer position in front of your heart. Allow a smile to gently spread across your face. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. This is Jess, supporting you in your journey to balance and positivity, and I love you.